Hello everyone, you are listening to the Money Builders Show. Inspire, inculcate and innovate. Episode 26. How to take a vacation from sadness forever. Don't live all your life in sadness. Move on, leaving your sadness behind to live your life that is waiting for you ahead. Don't let your suffering dwell you and suffer. Take a vacation forever from sadness and live an authentic life. The problem with the most human is they take a vacation from wonderful things in life, but they never take a vacation from terrible things. They take a vacation from their joyful moments, family, goals, and dreams, but they never take a vacation from their unpleasant emotions, anger, anxiety, and worry, sad moments, and negative people. And this is strange. You want to be happy, but without giving up bad and what's unnecessary, how can you be happy ever? The most important thing is you have to give up what's unnecessary and what's bad for you. And then it's possible to gain happiness that is actually real and that actually sparks your life in every step of your life. So now it's time to take a vacation from your sadness, and whatever the cause may be for your sadness. Sadness results mostly from your negative things in life, and it may be a bad situation or it may be a bad moment or negative emotion that's suffering you. If you want to take a vacation from this sadness, you need to do few things which are easy, but it only happens when you have a right mindset that pushes you forward to get through your sadness and take vacation from sadness forever. First one is kill your negative emotions. Don't allow your negative emotions to take over you. These negative emotions are so evil. They take away your happiness and peace. The more attention you give to them, the more they gain the power to control and suffer you. The only way to kill them is stay calm and respond to situations instead of reacting, and meditate every day for some time. Get away from negative people. You may think the others may not show any impact on you, but the truth is completely different. You become someone with whom you spend time with. You may not know this consciously, but unconsciously your mind learns negative things if you stay with negative people, which cause sadness in you. It's time to say goodbye to such negative people in your life and gain happiness and peace. Ignoring them at once isn't easy, but you need to get away from them slowly and give importance to positivity and positive people. Ignore sad moments and unhappiness. There are situations in life which turn you unhappy, and sad moments keep haunting you and cause sadness and suffering in you. Ignore such sad moments in your life as they don't help you become well. Instead, they make you stuck in life and suffer. Remember the lessons taught by sad moments in life and ignore the remaining things. Realize that you can't change your sad moments as they already happened. So think about how you can become better today and be grateful for sad moments too, as they taught you something valuable. Give up your jealousy. You may be jealous of someone who is more successful than you. You want to be like them, but you didn't. But this jealousy is making you compare yourself with others and then giving you pain and sadness. Instead of experiencing jealousy, by looking at successful people, show appreciation for them as they got successful. Learn from them and find how you can do much better. This is how you build a growth mindset. Remember that you have happy moments in your life. Most people give more importance to sad moments and forget that they have happy moments in their lives. Your life would have been completely different if you have concentrated more on happy moments in life than sad moments. Remember your happy moments more and give less or no attention to your sad moments. This may be tough or difficult at the beginning, but when you keep trying, it's possible to concentrate on happy moments forever and take a vacation from sadness. Get more positivity into your life. Only allow positive things such as positive thoughts and positive people into your life. Consume positive content every day. Spend more time with positive minded people every day. When positivity takes more part of your life, negativity loses its part and value in you that eliminates sadness forever from your life. Be grateful to what you have. Don't be upset about things you lack in your life. Care about what you have in your life. There are people who don't have what you have. There are worse situations several people are in. You are far better than many others in this world. You need to be grateful for that. If you show this gratitude to what you have in your life, you will appreciate your life more every day. You will not give much attention to sadness at all and gain calmness in your mind, which is very important to become happy forever. These are few ways where you can take vacation from sadness, and if you have your own ideas, implement them too. And the most important thing is to stay happy longer, because this human life is very short. And if you like this episode, subscribe to the podcast for upcoming updates. And if you love it, share it with the people who you love. And until then, see you in the next episode.